Hi there guys, welcome to a quick episode. Today we're gonna be showing you how to hard reset any Samsung Galaxy smartphones. This may work with most of the other manufacturers' devices and some non-Galaxy devices as well, with some small changes in techniques. So let's jump straight into it. It is a very simple process, but I need you to pay attention to make everything easy and good. First, you're gonna need to power off your device completely. Once you're done, locate your fingers towards volume app, home and power button. Now press them all together at once and continue hold the press about a few seconds until you see the Samsung intro animation. Once you have done that, you will see a screen like that. So wait for a few seconds and you will see another screen which says no comment and shows a dead Android logo. Don't panic, you have to wait a few more seconds before getting to the Android recovery menu, and that's where we are trying to go. As you can see, the Android recovery screen is loaded up, so you have to be very careful pressing any switches, especially the power button. Just give me a sec and I will explain everything. On the Android recovery, you can't interact with using the touch screen. The only option to play around with these options are using your volume rockers and the power button. Use the volume up and down to navigate through the menu and use the power button to select any of the option. So let's begin the hard reset or factory reset. Just navigate to the wipe data or factory reset option using your volume down button, and once you reach there, hit the power button. Now we'll ask you something like wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. So I suggest you to back up your media, contacts and all other stuff that are important to you before performing this reset. So if you are ready to reset, let's use yes using the volume down to navigate and the power button to select it. Now you can see it's formatting your device data, and once it's done, you will see these menus again. So to reboot to normal mode, you have to select the reboot system now option, and it will bring you back to the standard Android interface. So enjoy the tip, do whatever you want to do with it, and be safe. This is your host Aman Rafi from Geeks Tutorial. See you around.